everyone, this is Ashley at Half-Pint Corgis. I have Luna's litter here and we are outside and we are playing and they are exploring. And I'm just gonna try to introduce them. Come here! So this is Garnet. He's spoken for. This is Jet. He is spoken for. Let's see, who else do we have here? This is Jasper. Jasper is still available. This is Ruby. She is spoken for. Hi, baby girl. Let's see. This is Diamond. She is currently still available. Come here. Come here. This is Topaz. He is currently still available. This is Pearl. She is spoken for. Come here. Come here. Come here, they want to see you. That is Opal right there. She is spoken for. Come here. Who is this? This is Lapis. He is still available. He likes the water dish, so he's kind of wet. Yeah, he likes the water. Hi. This is Ruby. Oh my goodness, who's getting me? Pearl. Come here. I feel like there's one we haven't done yet. Let's see. That's Diamond. Oh, that's Opal and yeah, I think we got them all. There's so many. There's 9 of them. This is Jasper. He is still available. Look up. Look up, cutie. This is Lapis. Lapis boy. Oh, that feels good. Yeah, hi, buddy. He is available. Jet. Jet. Hi, buddy. You little stinker. You little stinker. You little stinker. Who is this? You. Okay, this is Ruby. Ruby and Garnet look almost identical, so I have to check. Yeah, this is Ruby. This is Garnet. Hi, buddy. Oh, you are a beautiful boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. There's Opal. Come here. Hi. Come here. Hi. Hi there, Miss Opal. Hey, Miss Opal. Let's see, who else do we have? Yes, I see you. I think this is Garnet. Or no, Ruby. This is Ruby. There's Jasper. Come here. Jasper and Topaz. Come here. Come here. Come on. And this is Miss Diamond. She's the one that aspirated some of her puppy mash. And she is doing so good. She finished all her antibiotics. And she's perfect now. Pearl, come here. There's Pearl. She's spoken for. Jet. Hi, Miss Opal. Wow, so fast. Come here. Come here. Who is this? This is Lapis. And Diamond. Oh, everybody's pooping. Yeah, there's Diamond. Come here. Lapis. This is Jasper. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Where's everybody? Well, they're all gonna run off, so. Anyways, I'm gonna get some pictures while we're out here, but I just want to take a quick video so you guys can see him running around. This is Diamond. And this is Ruby, I believe. Yeah, this one is Ruby. This is Ruby. Oh, y'all are so cute. Yeah. And that is topaz, diamond, ruby, jasper. Okay. Thanks for watching.